They told you inflation was temporary. They told you the economy was strong. Meanwhile, you're paying more, saving less, and somehow still falling behind. But here's the truth, nobody wants to say out loud. We are stuck in a currency doom loop, and the people at the top, they already made their move. This isn't just another crypto video. This is about a financial system that's quietly being replaced, right in front of you. While most people are distracted by social media and global headlines, billionaires are buying Bitcoin, institutions continue to partner with Ripple, banks are adopting crypto, governments are losing control of money, and if you don't understand what's happening, you're going to get left behind, fast. Let's start with reality. Governments print money to manage debt, currency loses value, people and institutions flee to harder assets, governments tighten control, then repeat cycle. The US is sitting on $39 trillion in debt. Over 60% of Americans are struggling to survive. Countries are literally rejecting the dollar. The Democratic Republic of the Congo just banned US dollar cash payments to regain control. That's not random. That's a warning. Even the International Monetary Fund is sounding the alarm. Meaning, the global system is under pressure, and when systems break, they get replaced. While you're debating whether crypto is too late, Michael Saylor just dropped $1 billion on Bitcoin. His company, Strategy, they now hold over 780,000 BTC. That's not investing. That's a full-blown conviction play. And he's not alone. BlackRock clients bought $284 million in Bitcoin in one day. Tether keeps stacking BTC reserves. Morgan Stanley says crypto is now daily business. Charles Schwab is launching direct crypto trading. Kraken is preparing for an IPO. Let me say that again. The biggest financial institutions in the world are not asking if anymore. They're asking, how fast can we get in? Now, watch this plot twist. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, the same agency that went after crypto, is now backtracking enforcement, saying some crypto tools aren't brokers, supporting clearer regulation, and the Clarity Act, it's close to becoming reality. That means rules, structure, and mass adoption. Oh, and here's the kicker. The US is considering making stablecoin payments tax-free. Let that sink in. That's not regulation. That's acceleration. Now let's talk about the silent war happening behind the scenes. Ripple continues to partner globally. On one side, Swift, the old system. On the other, Ripple, the disruptor. But here's where it gets crazy. They're now working together. Yeah, you heard that right. Even traditional finance sees what's coming. According to Brad Garlinghouse, XRP is an internet moment for money, and the data backs it up. Japanese banks report 60% cost savings using XRP. XRP now offers yield. It's being used in institutional systems. This isn't hype anymore. This is infrastructure. While everyone's chasing meme coins, the real money is moving into tokenization. Tokenized US Treasuries equals nearly $14 billion, led by BlackRock and Circle. Citigroup is exploring tokenized stocks. What does that mean? Stocks, bonds, real estate, all moving on-chain faster, cheaper, global. This is the part nobody's talking about because it's not flashy, but it will change everything. Right now, markets look confusing. Stocks at all-time highs. S&P 500, hitting 7,000. Gold slowing down, Bitcoin targeting $125,000, Ethereum pushing $2,400, XRP testing $1.50, crypto pumping and dumping. That's not random, that's transition chaos. Money is rotating, not disappearing. And in every transition period, there are two types of people, those who panic, those who position. Let's cut the fluff. Here's how you stay ahead, not financial advice, and always do your own research. First, pay attention to where big money is going, not what only influencers are saying. Watch flows into ETFs, BlackRock, etc. Practice dollar cost averaging, when you accumulate, and when you sell. Take profits when necessary, cover your taxes, and keep a record. Next, focus on utility, not hype. If it solves a real problem, it survives. If it has no utility, no use case, then it's a casino, and be cautious. Then, think long-term, diversify, and have patience. This isn't a quick flip, it's a system shift. Layer 1s, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche. ISO 2022, compliant cryptocurrencies. Infrastructure and value, cryptocurrencies. Think, custody, tokenization, AI, yield opportunities, staking Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP or XRPFI, along with other select cryptocurrencies where available. Stop waiting for perfect timing. The Clarity Act could unlock the next bull phase. By the time it feels safe, it's already too late. The biggest mistake you can make right now, thinking this is just another cycle. It's not. I'll say it again, this is a financial reset, and the people who win won't be the loudest. They'll be the ones who saw it coming. So the question is, are you paying attention and positioning your assets, or are you about to be exit liquidity? If you want real, unfiltered breakdowns like this, hit subscribe. Because in this channel, we don't chase hype. We educate, entertain, and inspire. We follow the money. Peace.